2024 Paris Olympics, 10 athletes making their return, including Simone Biles. Katie Ledecky first competed in the Olympics at age 15 and is back for a fourth time for the Paris Games. The 7-time gold medal winner is the top female swimmer in American history and one of the most popular Olympians of this century. Ledecky and gymnast Simone Biles stand out above all the rest when it comes to American returners from the Tokyo Games in 2021. Biles is a 4-time gold medalist and among the most accomplished women's gymnasts in U.S. history. You can flip the order if you prefer. The margin is that thin, but the gap is wide between these two and the rest of the returning Team USA Olympians. Non-returner with asterisk, Sha'carri Richardson. Everyone will want to see how Sha'carri Richardson fares in the 100 meters. She won the event in the Olympic trials in 2021, but tested positive for marijuana and was disqualified from the Tokyo Olympics. Suni Lee. Guess who is the returning all-around champion? Hint, not Simone Biles. Lee won the all-around gold in Tokyo and is going to battle with her teammate for the honor in Paris. The former Auburn student is still just 21.
Diana Taurasi.
No longer among the best women's players in the game at age 42, Taurasi is looking for a record 6th gold medal. That would be the most of any Olympic basketball player, man or woman. She is tied with former U.S. teammate Sue Bird. Her first Olympics was 2004 in Athens. What'd she say about Paris Olympic 2024?
Practice twice and then expect to win a gold medal. But we always figured a way to sacrifice, to be selfless, to make sure that the end result is to win a gold. And I think we always have that mindset when we play with Team USA. It's about our country and it's about doing the job.
Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone. She won 2 golds in Tokyo and set the Olympic record in the 400-meter hurdles. She looks ready to build on that after setting a world record in the event at the U.S. Olympic trials last month. Don't look away when she's running. Nelly Korda. She won the gold in Tokyo and is the favorite to do so again as the top women's golfer in the world. She also has enjoyed a strong LPGA season. Can't forget that Xander Schauffele also is back to defend his men's gold medal. He recently won his first career major. Noah Lyles. A lot of eyes will be on the talented Lyles, who only has a 2021 bronze attached to his name after struggling with mental health issues during the pandemic. He was eyeing 3 golds in Tokyo, and it will be a surprise if he returns home from Paris without any. Lindsey Horan. The U.S. only 1 bronze in 2021, and the longtime face of the program, Alex Morgan, didn't even make the team for Paris. So Horan, the captain, is the team's best player and will be counted on to follow up her strong performance in the 2023 Women's World Cup. Kevin Durant. The longtime NBA star is looking for his 4th gold medal, which would be a men's Olympic basketball record. He's currently tied with Carmelo Anthony. Durant averaged 20.7 points as the U.S. won the gold in Tokyo, and he holds the U.S. record of 435 career points. Caleb Dressel. The sprinter outright owned the pool in Tokyo by winning 5 gold medals to see his name mentioned along Mark Spitz, 7 in 1972, and Michael Phelps, 5 or more 3 times, topped by 8 in 2008, among all-time great U.S. men's swimming performances. He figures to add a few more golds this time around.
Katie Ledecky.
Now 27, she is still the biggest force in women's swimming and is someone we've all watched grow up. The Stanford graduate won 2 golds and 2 silvers in Tokyo and has won 10 total Olympic medals. She is primed for more.
Simone Biles.
If the 4'8" Biles were to stack all her gymnastics medals, she would need a stepladder to see the top of the pile. She etched her name in Olympic history with 4 golds in 2016, but struggled in Tokyo with performance and mental health issues and won just 1 bronze.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.